We are receiving many comments that our tests on rollers are too easy for their cars and that we should make them on an inclined ramp. In this video we are going to compare the same car on our rollers and on a ramp. Both attempts with the same traction control setting. Firstly on rollers. And now on a ramp. As you see, the test on rollers was much harder for the car. The reason for that is construction of rollers. Ramp includes the cylinders which are very close to each other. Wheels are on flat surface, car must only move forward on an incline. Our rollers include only two big diameter cylinders which are further apart so wheels drop deep into the rollers. Car must climb up like on curb and move forward. This kind of test turns out to be more difficult than the one on the ramp.